Okay, so today I'm going to model how to solve a problem such as 43 minus 27. So the first thing I would do is introduce the students to the concrete aspect of it using 4 sets of 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 4 10s, plus 3 1s. We would discuss about do we need to have a model set up for the 27? And of course that answer is no, because we're taking away 27 from 43. So when I look at it, I see that I have my 4 10s and I have my 3 1s. I would ask the children, what do you think we can do? Can we take 7 1s from the 1s column? That is impossible. Using these concrete models right here, so we would talk about decomposing a 10. So if we take this 10, and some people like to call it borrowing, but what we're doing is regrouping. We're going to take this 10 and we're going to break it down. We're going to decompose it into 1s. So to make this a little easier, I should probably draw this out with the 10s and 1s. So these are our 10s. Create a place value chart. Visuals are always good. 10s and 1s. We're going to take this 10 and decompose it into 1s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have our 3 1s still from the number 43, and now we have an additional 10 1s. But what has happened is now we have 1 less 10, so we only have 3 10s over here. But we could even talk about how this is 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43. So we still actually have 43, the number 43 represented. So now this makes this problem a little bit more doable because we have some 10s that we can take from, and we have enough 1s that we can take 7 from. So if we remove 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then we have taken the 7 1s. But we still need to take away 2 10s because the number 2 here represents 20 in our number. So we would take 1, 2. And now what we see is we have 1 10 left, and we still have some 1s. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer to this problem is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that is one way to represent the equation 43 minus 27. The next step would be to represent it with a drawing. So we could draw our 43. So here's 10, another 10, another 10, and another 10. So we have 4 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40. And then we would also represent our 1s again. So we would have 1, 1, and 1. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, and 43. And again, we need to subtract 27. So we have 2 10s and 7 1s. Well, of course, we start with our 7 1s, and again, that is not doable here. We only have 3 1s, so we need to take one of these 10s, we're going to decompose it, and move it over here. So we're going to X out that 10, and we're going to draw our 10 1s. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So now, just as with our cubes, our concrete model, now we have something a little more representational. We're drawing it on the paper, but it still represents the same thing as when we had our place value cubes. So we have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43. So now our next step is to subtract 27. So we're going to start with the ones, and we will X out sevens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we have to remove 2 tens. 1, 2. That gives us 1 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 ones. So 1 10 plus 6 ones equals 16. Therefore, 43 minus 27 equals 16.